Hey Stampin' Friends, this is Melissa the Stamp Doc. I wanted to get on real quick and share with you two class kits that you are eligible to get this week. So the first one is my free with purchase class, and with this class you get the supplies to make 4 cards. You can use whatever stamp set you want to use. I am using with you in mind on my cards, but any greeting stamp set will work with these. So you'll receive the pre-cut paper and the die cut, and then all you have to do is stamp your greeting and you've got 4 great cards all ready to go. So again, that's with the With You in Mind stamp set if you're looking for something to purchase. So this card kit is free with a $40 purchase in my online store. I will be shipping these the first week of March, so make sure that you get in on this. So let me just show you the 4 cards. So we have Thinking of You, we have Thank You, Best Wishes, and Happy Birthday. So something for every occasion. The other thing I want to show you is my Darling Dinos class. So this is a fun fold class and features 3 different fun fold cards. So this one opens up and has this little fold here, and then that will fit in your standard envelope. So that's card number 1 for the Darling Dinos. Card number 2 is this one right here. And again, this will fit in a regular mailing envelope. We're going to put him up here. And then we have this one here. It's got this little pocket here for that to step into. And then it opens up just like that. So this card class features all 4 cards, and then our final card here opens up and has this little panel here. So this card class is $39. That includes the supplies to make these 4 cards. You will not you will need the stamps and the dies to complete them as shown. So if you don't have those, you can add those on at checkout with no additional tax or shipping. I picked that up for you. There are also some blends that you're going to be using, and those are also available as an add-on. The cost of the class is $39. That includes those supplies for the 4 cards. Everything is pre-cut except for your paper, which you'll receive a full pack of that designer series paper. You'll also receive a brand new package of embellishments with that. So almost $25 worth of brand new Stampin' Up! Product. And then your shipping is also included in that, as well as the PDF tutorial. So for $39, you get all of that. And then if you want to, you can add on those other items that you'll need. So this class is a $39 class, and then this one is my free with purchase class. These are only available until February 28th at midnight. So be sure you get those orders in this week. I'll leave the links for both of these in the comments or the description. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.